Good morning, students. Under tense, we are going to read about all the continuous tenses. The continuous tense shows an action that is, was, or will be in progress at a certain time. The continuous tense is formed with the present participle form of verb, that is, ing form of verb or V4. Let us read one by one. The present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to show an action which is happening at the time of speaking. And the sentence structure is subject plus is/am plus V4 plus object, where V4 is the ing form of verb. For example, I am writing a letter. The past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to show an action which was happening in the past. And the sentence structure is subject plus was were plus V4 plus object. Children, it is important to remember that the past continuous is usually used to show an action which was under progress when another action took place at the same time. For example, I was walking along the beach when it started raining. Here, I was walking is past continuous tense, and it started raining is another action that took place at the time of walking. The future continuous tense. It is used to refer to an action that will be happening at a time in the future. And the sentence structure is subject plus will plus be plus V4 plus object. For example, I will be visiting my grandparents tomorrow. Let us revise. The verbs used in a continuous tense indicates an action that is ongoing or incomplete in the present, past or future. And the main verb used in continuous tenses is V4, that is ing form of verb. For example, she is reading a book. He was playing guitar. They will be coming tomorrow. Here, in all the three sentences written in present continuous, past continuous and future continuous, the verb used are in ing form, that is reading, playing and coming. Thank you, children.